So because this pump pulls in from the filter this side, sometimes the pump is on that side. So it'll go through the heater first, and then anything that gets stuck in there will just trip the breaker. So anything stuck in your spa gets sucked through the filter that's not supposed to be there, could do different weird stuff. So this one here, it's not going to get to this side because it's got to go through the back of the pump here. So somehow it's got to get through here. So I've disconnected the front of this, and this one here I can pull it. Sometimes you got to cut these out of the way, but you can see it. It's right there. Now that was restricting our flow. Sponge. So make sure that since you have this open, you look inside, nothing else, tighten it back up, and then there you go. Chances of something else being stuck in there is pretty slim. So, and the lady did say, hey, my scum sponge, it went missing last week. There you go. So if your pump sounds weird or restrictive flow, this could be one of the reasons, especially if your sponge goes missing. There you go.